Yeah, we got a problem here. Alright, so to fix OpenSuse, we're going to have to put the disk in. So let's see here. That goes there. And we'll restart. There we are. Go to upgrade. Alright, so I found the existing OpenSuse that we're going to update. Next. There we go. And enable that.
So a key step here is to go through at this step here and to use the previously used repositories and use the little button down at the bottom of the screen to toggle the status. By default, they're going to be removed. So what you want to do is go through there and toggle them to enabled. And that way, if like in our case, we've got the Pac-Man repository set up, and we have it set as a priority so that we could install OBS and get our multimedia codecs and whatnot from that repository. So we want to go ahead and keep that preserved, so we're just enable them before we go to the next step, and then they won't be overwritten.
Alright, so right now it's saving the bootloader configuration, installing the boot manager. So when that's done, I'm hoping it's going to fix where we can boot OpenSuse and other operating systems as well. Okay, the system will reboot now. Pop this disk out of here. Well, if it comes up green, I guess we fixed OpenSuse, but we'll see. Okay. So we have OpenSuse. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to update Grub. No big deal. Good news is we have Leap again. Now we have nothing else. Oh boy. That's an easy fix. Alright. Okay. Now we just got to go into Yast. And we go to Bootloader. And we'll just go OK. So, okay, let's go back to the bootloader again now that it's updated. And we'll go to bootloader options. And see, we have a few more options here now. And so our default is going to be Windows 10. Because when Windows 10 updates, sometimes it restarts multiple times, and it just makes it that much simpler to do it that way. And alright, cool. So just okay. So now it's going to update it again. So now we can see how many of our operating systems actually work. So restart. So we got OpenSuse back. When the bootloader comes up, we'll have a look at it. Okay, so we have OpenSuse, we have Windows 10, we have Arch, Ubuntu, we have CentOS. So let's just go down. We know OpenSuse works, so let's see if Windows 10 will launch. Okay. Okay, so we're in Windows 10 right now. We're going to see if we can boot all the operating systems. So let's see if everything works. It's supposed to. Alright, let's see if Arch works. Alright, there's Arch with the deep in desktop. Log out of here. We're going to select GNOME Xorg. There's Arch with GNOME. There we go. Okay, let's reboot. Next one down the list is Ubuntu. Here we go, Ubuntu 18.04. Restart. Next on the list is CentOS. And there you have it, CentOS 8. So the only thing left to check is OpenSuse. And there is OpenSuse Leap 15.1, I believe. Yeah, 15.1. So there you go. Everything works. It's all better now. Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, then I would like to invite you to do so. And if you have, I want to thank you for sticking around. This concludes another Vern's Misadventure. Y'all take care. We'll see you next time.